Hey there YouTube, welcome back to the Rogue Painter channel. I am Jason, aka the Rogue Painter, and today we are doing something a little bit different to the usual tutorials and Mortal Realm stuff. What I have here is a mystery box containing a bunch of Reaper miniatures. Now this is provided by Mighty Lancer Games, or ordered from Mighty Lancer Games I should say. This video is in no way sponsored. I have used my own money to purchase this box for my own enjoyment. I have no idea what is in here. The subscription is £20 a month, and including delivery, and they do say that you will get around about £25 worth of miniatures. So what we'll do is we'll open the box, have a look at all the miniatures, and then at the end I'll put up the total cost, or the cost of each miniature, as they are on the Reaper Minis site, as well as the total cost of the box, and then we can have a look and see what we think in terms of value of the box. So without further ado, let's have a look. So as you can see, I haven't actually opened this box yet. I will be doing this one of these videos within the first week of every month. They ship these boxes at the end of each month, so that they can make sure you get the latest miniatures. All the miniatures inside are from the Reaper Bones and Bones Black series, but obviously that includes things like Dark Legends, Pathfinder models, and stuff like that. It just means that they are all plastic miniatures, not the metal miniatures. So let's have a look and see what we get. I just move this out the way here. Right, so there you go. There's Mighty Lancers Games. Like I say, the package itself is £20 including shipping. They do ship international at £36, but I'm not entirely sure what the value of the miniatures is in there, as to whether or not it's worth ordering overseas. But obviously within the UK, assuming it is worth £25 or more and you enjoy surprise boxes such as I do, then £20 should be a decent value. So what I will do is post a link for the website down in the description there. Obviously you can see the website here anyway, but that will be an affiliate link down there, so by using that you will be helping the channel a little bit, and that will be much appreciated. You don't necessarily have to order this box from them using that link. You can use order anything from them. They are pretty good on shipping. I ordered this last week. They say that they ship them at the end of the month. Today, as filming this, is the 27th. So they've obviously shipped it a little bit earlier. But I will, obviously when you're watching this, it is sometime in the first week of May. So 27th of April is when I received it. I think I ordered it around about the 20th of April, something like that, between the 15th and the 20th, I can't remember exactly. But here we go, let's have a look. So obviously a bit of packaging. Alright, the obligatory sweets that most mystery boxes come with. So first of all, we've got an Autumn Bronze Leaf. So there's the product number there, and that's the miniature. Obviously anybody who collects Reaper miniature stuff knows that some of the miniatures do tend to come a little bit warped and bowed, but some hot water, dunking the miniature in hot water, straightening it out, and then putting it straight into cold water will sort that out. It's not a problem, so I'll sort that out later. So yeah, there's Autumn Bronze Leaf. Then we have a Cave Troll. He's a pretty cool looking guy there. So these will do good for my Dungeons and Dragons stuff. So there you go, there's the Cave Troll and the number. Next we have Auron the Conjurer, so a wizard or warlock or something. There we go, and obviously that's Dark Heaven's Bones. The other two were Dark Heaven's Bones as well. I don't think they do any kind of theme with this, I'm not entirely sure. Obviously at the moment the first 3 have been Dark Heavens, but like I say, it is all part of the Bones series, or Bones Black. Then we've got another one of Dark Heavens, and these are Wraith Slayers. So that's a pack of 2 in there, and they look pretty cool. They're done in clear resin by the looks of that. So yeah, that's pretty fun to paint. We've got a big one there. So Dark Heavens, we've got 3 Mushroom Men. So there's the number there, and they look pretty cool. And they've got some faces on the bodies there. And then, oh, a nice large one, a Dwarf King on Throne, and that will be the box. So we'll move that out of the way. So we got a Dwarf King on a throne. This looks like a large scale resin terrain piece. And then obviously we've got the Dwarf King there, a couple of parts to add to him. And what's he got in there? Shield. So got a shield down there, a couple of pieces here. So yeah, that's a multi-part piece. So yeah, not too bad. And right, so what we'll do, we'll go ahead and price all this up, and I'll put that up on the screen now. And there you go. So that is the cost of that. So yeah, that's that one done. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. And like I say, if it is something that you'd like to sign up for, then do check it out. And if you could use the link down in the description, that would be awesome. And like I say, they do other stuff as well. They've got a whole range of supplies and whatnot on there, miniatures from different ranges. The only one that they do as a mystery box, as far as I know, is the Reaper miniatures. But if you're a fan of Reaper miniatures, as far as cost goes, okay, it's a bit random, but if you're happy with that, then it's pretty much worth it. So yeah, thanks a lot guys, and I shall catch you next time.